Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to delete your Heyday account. If you want to delete your Heyday account and delete your personal database from the platform, then simply launch open your Heyday game on your preferred mobile device. Once you're inside, tap on the menu bar at the top left. In the expanded pop-up, tap on Settings. Now from the Settings menu, tap on Advanced Settings. Scroll all the way down from the Advanced Settings menu and tap on Delete Account. It'll now redirect you to a web browser. Simply scroll down and tap on Delete My Data. Doing so will redirect you to Heyday support, where you can select I agree to delete my data option at the bottom right. Your account deletion has now processed. There will be a short period during which you can still cancel the request. If you wish to delete your account, tap Delete Account, and then your deletion request is made. Remember that your Supercell ID will not be removed as long as it is connected to any other Supercell games. The deletion process can take up to 30 days, and while this is in progress, you will not be able to log into the game. If you ever open your game and log in, your deletion will be cancelled. That is how you should be able to delete your Heyday account with a few simple steps. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.